So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can use dark mode feature on Snapchat or how you can get the feature of dark theme on Snapchat. So for this, first of all open your Snapchat application and then friends, simply tap on your profile which is available in the top left side, and here tap on settings option which is available on the top right side. Then friends, scroll down your page and you will find a option of app appearance. Simply tap on app appearance option, and friends, here you will get to see a option of always dark or custom app theme. So friends, if you are using dark theme on your smartphone, so you can choose custom app theme. And if you just want to use dark theme on your Snapchat, so for this simply tap on always dark option, and friends, simply tap on restart option. So guys, you can see our Snapchat dark mode feature is enabled, and if you have any questions please comment on this video. And friends, if dark mode feature is not available on your Android Snapchat, so for this simply update your Snapchat application.